Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for how to kill a kit with style, and it's got some close to my heart products in it. So I'm back to my 6x6 paper pad collection book. You can always go back and check what I have used and what I am using and all that kind of stuff in the previous videos. So here I am, I'm using up my Paige Evans. As you can tell, I'm getting really low on the one and I'm getting close on the other. I'm super excited to be running low because Whimsical is coming to my doorstep soon, and that's the whole point of me using the two collections that I have from Paige Evans is to clean up stuff. And I did. I will tell you that right now I was able to take two of my 4x6 photo boxes that I would, if you'd put photos in, that I use my embellishments in that you see in my photos most of the time, or videos I should say. I am now condensed from 2 to 1, so I'm getting there, and this has been working wonderfully. That's not even a word. Anyway, back to the layout. I have gotten some inspiration from Pinterest. I was going through my sketchbooks of like my pinned, and I just got those are the photo boxes I was telling you about. I was just going through like my templates, and I found a bunch of inspiration from a bunch of different other ones, so I can't really tell you like which sketches that I used, but they're all on Pinterest, and we all know how to go on Pinterest and find sketches and layouts and all that kind of stuff. So almost all of my photos that I do show you in the process video part of it, I was using sketches. The other ones, I just kind of did whatever I felt like it. So I backed my photo up on foam tape, and I took this little bit of frame and put it around my friend Amy and I, and then right above the frame is the two Statue of Liberties. So to tell you a little bit about this picture, and I know that we'll probably move on to the next one. This picture here, Amy's like, why in the world do you want to take, because we're tourists. I know that she is from Boston, and she, has gone to, New York a time or two, but I've never been to New York. This is my first time, so you had to do the dumb tour stuff. Let's face it. It's two women, we're having fun, let's do the dumb things. So that's what we did. So we spent, I had to pay these two $10, $5 each, because that one woman, the gold one that's standing right behind me, she thought I gypped her. I was like, I didn't gyp her. I gave the dude a 20. Get your 5 from him. Oh, she was mad. She was about ready to come off her stool. I was like, holy cow. I was like, get your money from him. Finally, he hit her and was like, hey, I've got your stuff. So that's the story behind this picture. But I just love it. We put on a stupid Statue of Liberty hat thingy and was holding I think the light, the flame, and we were just posing dumb. It's something to do on Times Square, right? So all these photos are Times Square pictures that I have. And the last one here that I do on camera, I will tell you that when you go through the 30-second little flip through that I have at the end of this video, you will see that I changed what I did. I really liked my changed look that I decided to take off camera because I was getting frustrated on camera. And sometimes that happens to me where I'm like frustrated, and sometimes just getting off camera to do what I need to do works best for me. And this is another sketch that I followed. I just broke a 12x12 sketch down to 6x6. It's pretty easy to do. Once you start to get used to doing sketches and start to get used to doing your dimensions and knowing what the sizes of papers look like and that kind of stuff, it's easy to take it from a 12x12 to an 8.5x11 down to a 6x6 like this is, and work with it. Now, as you guys may know or may not know, I have been scrapbooking since I was in high school, but really started to do paper memorying since 2003 when my second oldest son was born in November of 03. He's going to turn 15 here in November, and I've been scrapbooking him. I do know that some people have asked. They hear me talk about my son, but I never scrapbook him. He is caught up. He lives with his dad, so all of the pictures, I was able to get him completely caught up while I was stationed in Germany, so that's why you only see my daughter's photos or like my husband and I's things and trips and that kind of stuff that we go along. You will see him in a lot of my Germany photos that I am trying to catch up on, because he was stationed with us in Germany up until we were getting ready to move back here. That's when he decided to go live with Dad. And so that point, so everything kind of new doesn't have him in it, but all of the old stuff that I pull out does have him in it. Back to this layout, and here I am obviously in the Cake Boss's, oh, it was so good. He had cannolis, and the ladies there turned the cannolis into a shake, and I think I added like 30 pounds to my butt, but, no pun intended there, it was like the best darn cannolis that I've had here in the States, outside of being in Italy and getting what a true cannoli is like. I died and went to heaven. My friend Amy was like, "What in the world is wrong with you?" And I said, "You don't understand. Should have been born an Italian, like, female, because anything Italian is like, sings to my heart." So my title that you can't see on there that I do have to change off camera, it is called, Cake Boss's Cannolis. Darn straight, that's what I did. And we were in his ice cream shop, and his picture was hanging up on the wall, and of course I had to act like I was taking a pic or eating the cannoli, holding my shake, and right by the Cake Boss. It just, it's just me. Anyway. My journaling goes into those little 3 stickers that I put at the top. This one that I am putting down, it says "Bring It On." And the little flip through will be coming up here soon. Look for the additional sections of the change. There they are. Everything, still shots will be coming up as well. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.